CERDDWN is a radically different developmental opportunity for composers. We want to create a world-leading hub for musical experimentation and innovation in Mid-Wales. Working with community orchestra Aberystwyth Philomusica and leading professional orchestra Sinfonia Cymru, composers and mentoring performers will create visionary new works for orchestra. Our goal is to break away from standard educational and practical models relating to writing for the orchestra, give space to experiment with radically new and risky ideas, and to create ambitious and exceptional new music. A starting point for a new legacy of orchestral music in Wales. To kick things off, we've commissioned 4 composers to write new works. We'll also be supporting 4 mentee composers in the creation of ambitious new compositions too. Our mentorship spaces are open to everyone, from those who haven't experienced formal musical education to practically skilled, road-tested symphonists. There are no formal educational requirements. There are no genre restrictions. We want to hear your voice, so come and apply.